Good morning, I'm Broker Nick and I'm here right now in Landplease Residences in Barangay Don Bosco, Parañaque City. I'm here to feature their 3-bedroom unit. So this 3-bedroom unit has a total floor area of 82 square meters which offers 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and baths, 2 balcony, and a drying cage. I'll be showing you the actual deliverables. So, here is the kitchen area. Ang actual deliverables po natin is naka-granite yung countertop. May standard kitchen sink. Then, we have modular cabinets. Ayan. Okay. And, ayun. Including a grease trap para po hindi magbara. Apology sa lighting, wala po kasing mga sockets. Ay, wala pong mga ilaw yung sockets natin. But as you can see, ceiling height is around 2.5 meters. Okay? Then, deliverables is complete. So, let me show you the first bathroom. The toilet and bath. So, it has complete bathroom accessories. Shower. Okay. Bowl. Then, our flooring po is naka-vinyl. Then, this is our first bedroom. Okay. Then as you can see, there are fire sprinklers na for safety purposes. All electricals are strategically located. And here is our second bedroom. So may mga windows and there's also provision for window type aircon. And here is our master's bedroom. Our master's bedroom is the biggest room in the unit, and also it has its own toilet and bath, which has complete bathroom accessories. The windows are big for natural lighting, and this master's bedroom has its own balcony. Okay. Okay, so this is the first balcony, and here is the second balcony. So if you are interested to purchase this property, so feel free to contact me through the details below. Thank you.